Today our topic is the best strategies to stay focused in life. Staying focused is one of the most important skills you can have. It helps you achieve your goals, manage your time, and live a meaningful life. But in a world full of distractions, staying focused can be hard. Let's talk about some simple strategies that can help you stay focused and move forward in life. First, you need to know your purpose. Without a clear purpose, it's easy to get lost. Ask yourself, what do you really want? What makes you happy? What are your big dreams? When you know your purpose, you can focus on what truly matters. Your purpose acts like a compass, guiding you through life. It helps you say no to things that don't align with your goals. For example, if your purpose is to become a great writer, you will focus on writing every day instead of wasting time on things that don't help you grow. Second, set clear goals. Goals give you direction. Without goals, it's like driving without a map. You might end up somewhere, but it probably won't be where you want to go. Break your big goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes them less overwhelming and easier to achieve. For example, if your goal is to run a marathon, start by running a few kilometers each week. Small steps lead to big results over time. Third, create a daily routine. A routine helps you stay organized and focused. When you have a plan for your day, you waste less time deciding what to do next. Wake up at the same time every day, eat healthy meals, exercise, and set aside time for work and relaxation. A routine doesn't have to be boring. It's about creating habits that support your goals. For example, if you want to read more books, make it a habit to read for 30 minutes before bed. Fourth, avoid distractions. Distractions are everywhere, from social media to noisy environments. To stay focused, you need to limit these distractions. Turn off notifications on your phone, find a quiet place to work, and set boundaries with people who interrupt you. If you find it hard to focus, try the Pomodoro Technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This helps you stay focused without feeling overwhelmed. Fifth, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness means being fully present in the moment. Help paying attention to what you're doing right now, instead of worrying about the past or future. When you're mindful, you can focus better and make better decisions. Start by practicing deep breathing or meditation for a few minutes each day. This helps calm your mind and improves your focus. Sixth, take care of your body. Your physical health affects your mental focus. Eat nutritious food, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. When your body is strong and healthy, your mind works better. Avoid too much caffeine or sugar, as they can make you feel restless. Instead, drink plenty of water and eat foods that give you energy, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Seventh, learn to say no. You can't do everything, and that's okay. Saying no to things that don't align with your goals is a powerful way to stay focused. It's not about being selfish. It's about protecting your time and energy. For example, if a friend invites you to a party, but you have an important project to finish, it's okay to say no. Your goals are important, and sometimes you need to prioritize them over other things. Eighth, surround yourself with positive people. The people you spend time with can either help or hurt your focus. Surround yourself with people who support your goals and inspire you to be better. But avoid people who are negative or distract you from your purpose. Positive people will encourage you, give you good advice, and help you stay on track. Ninth, stay patient and persistent. Staying focused is not always easy. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. But don't give up. Keep working towards your goals, even when it's hard. Remember, progress takes time. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. 10th, practice gratitude. Gratitude helps you stay focused on the good things in life. When you're grateful, You feel happier and more motivated. Take a few minutes each day to think about what you're thankful for. It could be your health, your family, your job, or even a beautiful sunset. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you don't have to what you do have, which helps you stay positive and focused. 11th, embrace failure as a teacher. Failure is a natural part of life. Everyone fails at some point, but it's how you respond to failure that matters. Instead of seeing failure as the end, see it as a chance to learn and grow. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I do better next time? When you embrace failure, you become stronger and more focused. 12th, keep learning. Life is a journey of growth and discovery. The more you learn, the more you can achieve. Read books, take courses, and seek advice from people who have achieved what you want to achieve. Learning keeps your mind sharp and helps you stay focused on your goals. 13th, take breaks. It's important to work hard, but it's also important to rest. Taking breaks helps you recharge and stay focused. Go for a walk, listen to music, or spend time with loved ones. When you return to your work, you'll feel refreshed and ready to focus again. 14th, visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful tool for staying focused. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals. Picture every detail from how you'll feel to what you'll see and hear. Visualization helps you stay motivated and reminds you why you're working so hard. 15th, stay flexible. Life doesn't always go as planned, and that's okay. Sometimes you need to adjust your goals or change your approach. Staying flexible doesn't mean giving up. It means being open to new possibilities. For example, if you lose your job, see it as an opportunity to explore a new career or start your own business. Flexibility helps you stay focused even when things don't go as planned. In conclusion, staying focused in life is not always easy, but it's worth it. By knowing your purpose, setting clear goals, creating a routine, avoiding distractions, practicing mindfulness, taking care of your body, saying no, surrounding yourself with positive people, staying patient, practicing gratitude, embracing failure, learning, taking breaks, visualizing success, and staying flexible, you can stay focused. Remember, focus is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Start small, stay consistent, and keep moving forward. You have the power to create the life you want. Stay focused and don't give up. The best is yet to come.